Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a Dollar Tree haul. It's very small. I'll share with you really quick. I just went to Dollar Tree. I ran in and out yesterday, and these are what I found by the cash register, guys. It says Weekend Vibes, and you rotate it and it says vacay mode, and then you rotate it one more time and it says out of office. I thought these were adorable, and it's yellow. This one's a cute yellow. There were 3 designs actually, and I got just these 2. This one's it says unicorn mode, and you got the little unicorn cut out right here, and then it says busy being a unicorn, and then the last one says BRB, chasing unicorns. If you don't know what BRB is, be right back. That's what that means. And these 3, there was another design, and I think it was like rainbows or something, and I just decided I was just going to get these 2. I got this one because it was purple, and then I got this one because I like the pineapple. So I got those. My Dollar Tree brought in these eraser tops, and these are a little smaller than what I've seen on everybody's haul. So I think these are a little newer, but this one is, I think it's a witch. I'm not sure, but it's a topper, so it's a witch hat, and you know that, and then there's little, I don't know if he's Frankenstein or what, but I'm gonna say Frankenstein. And then you have this little pumpkin head looking guy, or ghost head looking guy, and you have a bat, the little bat right here. And I think you just have different colors now of whatever's in there. So I just grabbed 2, and I'll be turning these into charms, of course, but I will also be doing something to it. So there's that. My store finally brought in the pressed wood Christmas words, and I will probably be taking the string off of this and you know, doing something else to this, maybe paint, maybe paper, or maybe some decoupage, who knows. But this one is Mary, and it has a reindeer head for the Y. Just this, it's the same as the small hanging Christmas ornaments that I got in my last haul. And then this one is Peace, and it has the Christmas tree with the star in the where the A should be. I thought this was cute too. Now with these, you can see there's a little bit of hair, you know, from the wood. This is not really wood, it's the pressed particle boards. So you just gotta take some sandpaper to it and, you know, clean up the edges. But I only picked up 1 of each. And then my Dollar Tree finally brought in the little Christmas houses, and I was thinking of doing something, you know, to this, and in some ways like a box sort of. We'll see what I come up with, but those I found, those out of all the wood. And the last thing that I grabbed, actually it's not the last, but this is all I have to share. I grabbed the little necklace, the bead necklaces. These are great for trim. I got the silver and gold combination, and then for Halloween I got the orange. And I love using these trims on like my projects, 3D projects or whatever. But you know, it'll also look good on the pressed wood particle board stuff. Alright, so that is it for Dollar Tree. Okay guys, so I'm gonna share with you what I got online. And this is from Amazon. This is from Online Labels through Amazon. Whoops. So I want to share with you what I got. So I wanted to make some stickers, guys. And this came pretty quick, but here is what it looks like. It says online label through Amazon, like I said, and this is what I got. And of course they didn't put the price, but I wanted to make some stickers, so I went with Louisa's advice and got the online labels. This is 100 sheets. I'm going to test it out. I have not made stickers ever, and I figured with the digital kits that we are making, I would probably go ahead and print. Ooh, these are standard white matte, 8.5 by 11. So I don't know, it doesn't even show which side to print it on. That is crazy. I don't know, guys, hold on. I don't know. There it is. Okay. So now I know which side is the sticker. So this side is the sticker. Got to make sure, put it in the right way, because when you print, you don't want to be printing on the back side of your label thing. So we'll see. I'm going to give it a shot. This is what I got, and it came quick. It came within 2 days. The other part of the order came with, that I ordered through Amazon, are the Genius platforms. 10 cutting dies included, so these little dies are included. I have the machine. This machine was gifted to me, and I somehow warped my top mat. I don't know what it's called, but I got, this is what comes in it. I think this was like $30. So I have another platform. That's what this is called, and it's magnetic, so it will hold my dies in place. Whoops, sorry. So that's wonderful. And then I have my B mat, which I needed. That is the one that I messed up, guys. And then there's a thicker mat. This is the A mat, so perfect, because I didn't know what this one is for. I will figure it out, but I'll show you the old mat. This is what happened to my old mat. Can you see it's curved? It's not straight like the other one. So this one's straight, this one's curved. See how I messed that up? That's how bad I messed it up. It still works, it still goes through, but it bothers me. So I went ahead and searched it on Amazon for the for the replacement, and that's what I got. And I wonder, so these are dies that come with it. That's cool. This one is magnetic, so this is the magnetic platform. I've got a lot to learn, because I'm still learning. I'm still learning, guys. So that's another thing that I found on Amazon. The last thing that I grabbed are these wire bracelets, and I believe there's 10 of each color. Yeah, so I have silver, like sterling silver, and there's silver, and then there's gold, and there's copper. And this is beautiful. Let's see if I can open it. I have some ideas for these bracelets, which I want to make. I thought this was a very reasonable set of bracelets, ready to make bracelets on YouTube, on what's it called? Amazon. And you get 4 colors. So super cool. Expandable bangles for DIY jewelry making. And it came quick. It came in 3 days. This one came in Friday, but I'm just now being able to record it. So look at that color, guys. Oh my gosh. I love this. I love bracelets, period. But apparently they're supposed to expand, you know, you squeeze it and then push it back together. But I guess you're supposed to put your beads or dangles onto this part, this section. I'm not too familiar, but I do have I have another bracelet that I purchased from an Etsy shop a long time ago, and it has the mermaid and a starfish and all that jazz. But we'll see. I wanted to get some and play and start adding my beads on here. I think that would be so cute for Happy Mail. Anna, who is Serenity Creates here on YouTube, has really inspired me as far as venturing out of your comfort zone. And there's another crafter here. I think it's Sabrina 2 Sweets, or Sabrina. Let me see. Trying to type her name. Sabrina 2 Sweets Creations. She is creating bracelets too with the adjustable bangles. And see how beautiful her bangles are. And she's just using all the charms that I already have from my Amazon hauls. So I'm in love with her creations. So go check her out on Instagram. She's Sabrina 2 Sweets Creations. All together, no capitals. But that's it, guys, for my haul. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you all on the next video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you love what you're seeing. And I do live videos Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. So I hope to see you guys there. Have a great day, and I'll see you again. Bye.